storm presses inland, who is most at risk? We go to our severe weather expert, Dr. Greg Forbes, for an update. Greg?
The threat of tornadoes is really increasing now. We've already had reports of 4 tornadoes. We have a number of warnings now to report to you. One of these tornadoes in an unusual place. Usually we're talking about tornadoes that are in outer rain bands. We now have had tornado reported, actually 2 tornadoes reported in the eye wall itself. Hurricane Lili is coming up into the area right toward Crowley. You'll see it moving here. You can see the circulation center swirling as it comes up to the area just west, about 20 miles west of Lafayette. A tornado has touched down in Lafayette. Now we've had another tornado reported in rain moving toward the northwest at 25 miles per hour. Watch out in areas just northwest of Lafayette and in Lafayette Parish. Watch out in Arcadia Parish as well. The center of Lili is going to continue north and then turn later by tomorrow morning up the Mississippi River toward the northeast. All along the way, ahead of that, there'll be heavy rains, and off to the east, heavy rains and tornado threats. Some of the other places more typical of having tornado problems are in these outer rain bands, a little bit of drier air and a little bit of warmer, sunnier temperatures pushing into the region. One of these bands just off to the north of New Orleans, and the other over toward the Bogalusa area in northeast Louisiana. St. Tammany Parish, eastern Washington Parish, around the Bogalusa area, just north of Bush in this band, and then in East Feliciana and St. Helena parishes around the Clinton and Norwood areas. Watch out for tornadoes as these storms move very quickly to the north at about 25 or so miles per hour. It's going to continue to be a very dangerous situation. A tornado watch is in effect. Any of these areas really could be getting tornadoes this afternoon coming across southeast Louisiana and the southern ports of Mississippi, even over as far as Biloxi as the afternoon pushes along. And we are getting lots of heavy rain here. The rain radar estimated rainfall amounts in excess of 5 inches, really some places with 6 to 8 inches now. And we've had measured rain of almost 8 inches at Boothville. So Boothville over toward Grand Isle and the Houma area, as well as parts just southwest of New Orleans, and then up toward the area of Slidell and up toward the northwest. And there is a flash flood warning in effect for Vermilion Parish. That's right over around the eye wall, headed toward the northwest. Now let's go back to Janetta in the studio.
Thanks a lot, Dr. Forbes, for that update. And remember, you can monitor Hurricane Lili online at weather.com. You will find the latest on the storm's path, its impact on travel, and important safety tips on what to do if severe weather is headed your way. Now here's Rich with a look at the rest of the nation's active